Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you.
Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris and today we have a very interesting project to talk about. It's actually going to be World Mobile and its associated token WMTX. But before we get into any of that, I just gotta remind you that I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I'm simply a geek on the internet who likes to bring you different forms of entertainment, and sometimes it's going to be about Bitcoin, sometimes it's going to be about different cryptos, sometimes it's going to be about share reviews. We have one on the channel, go ahead and check that out. But today we are talking about this project and everything that we can about it, why it's gaining some attention, from its decentralized infrastructure to its tokens utility, and try and explore what's making this project stand out on the blockchain and in the DePIN spaces. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So stake your claim in the connectivity revolution. Let's hear it in their words real quick. With WMTX, the future of connectivity is in your hands. The foundational layer of the World Mobile Network, WMTX's secure blockchain infrastructure enables new generation of wireless networks owned by users, focused on privacy and built by communities. So we'll kind of scroll through here, but to kind of give you an overview of it, how the WMTX powers World Mobile Network, or how the token powers that network. But first, let's kind of talk about what World Mobile is, not to mention DePIN in case you don't know. Well, World Mobile is the first ever blockchain powered mobile network operator. So the groundbreaking idea in telecom is kind of unlike any real traditional networks, where this one runs on a decentralized infrastructure where individuals can own and operate air nodes. And these air nodes, if we scroll down here, it does talk about it. You can see here, air nodes run the network. These air nodes serve as the backbone of the network, delivering internet and cellular services to real world users, which is pretty impressive. As you can see here, you'll be able to earn rewards every time a user connects to your air node to use mobile data, call, or text. Pretty cool. So that means operators will be able to earn rewards in stable coins, which is a refreshing departure from the volatile token emissions that are commonly seen in blockchain projects. So it's pretty cool. This model is ensuring tangible real world revenue for its the people who are participating in it. The claim from TechCrunch that this can be the biggest mobile network in the world, we'll have to see, won't we? To give you a little bit more of a background on how this works, I went over to their documentation over here. But by using off-the-shelf equipment to make network nodes affordable and easy to build, business owners can buy nodes and set them up locally, creating a connection for themselves and others while sharing the rewards. Instructions and materials are created in local languages and distributed to node owners. Once online, node owners have access to all the information that they need in order to monitor and maintain their network. Additionally, they employ local ambassadors who travel to unconnected towns and villages to promote the sharing economy and inform people about the benefits that it may bring. Where there is not yet a network, World Mobile will allow village savings groups and businesses to buy nodes and receive rewards from people utilizing that network. So that's pretty cool. And currently, World Mobile is boasting over 100 daily active users across different regions of USA, Pakistan, and Tanzania. Operators of the air nodes are reportedly earning an impressive 40% APY on their stakes. So staking is a thing, with average monthly earnings of around $350. These rewards can be enhanced with WMTX's staking, which can make it a sustainable and profitable system. So talking about WMTX and the utility of it, this utility token is at the core of this ecosystem, and it isn't just another blockchain token. It has several roles, from being the gas token for the world mobile chain in order to power every transaction, to being used for staking to support nodes and access to services like eSIMs and VPNs. It is also tied to a buyback program that is funded by actual revenue, ensuring that long-term value retention. And as you can see, their partners here, Base, Singularity Net, Chainlink, and Input Output there. But with they are integrating into the Base blockchain, and so World Mobile is aligning itself with Coinbase's ecosystem, which is bringing greater scalability and accessibility overall. Now, they do have pretty active socials, as you can see down here. You can check out Telegram, Twitter, Discord, but we'll go ahead and jump over. They have a couple of different Twitter or X's, whichever you prefer, that you can check out. Here it is the tokens page, where you can see that they actually posted something 14 hours ago at the time of this recording, that there are Airnode rewards for October 2024 now available to claim. And yeah, so that they're pretty active, staying posting pretty frequently. You can also see over here the World Mobile team, and they've been posting pretty frequently on there as well. So make sure to check out their socials and kind of see what they're up to. I recommend following the Discord and the Telegram to stay in the loop of what all is going on. Jumping back over to their main page now, there's tons of useful information that you guys can check out on your own time, ranging from blog to the documentation, FAQs, their partnerships. They even have merch, so you can check all of that out. The documents, especially, checking out their white paper and learning about everything that they're bringing to the table is just, it's good. It's well laid out, and it's going to have a lot of information there for you to pretty much get any answers you could be looking for. Now, something I did want to show you guys was on CoinMarketCap. You can see that over the past month or so, it's done pretty well. It's pumped up pretty well. Its current market cap is 203 million. It is doing well, but it is pretty remarkable of where it's at, considering that peak actually is insanely high. It's got a really high market cap, and if I take off this here, you can kind of see it's hit some new heights as well. So it's pretty remarkable that its competitor has a coin market cap of 340 million, which appears that WMTX is a bit undervalued given its growing utility and user base. So that's pretty interesting, and I think we could see that that rise that's been occurring over this past month to kind of continue, and I'm excited to see exactly what happens. But why does this really all matter? Well, World Mobile is attempting to stand out because it's bridging real world needs by integrating blockchain technology, from empowering its users with control over their data, to creating community-driven telecom model, while also this project is, I don't know, I guess I would say it's disrupting a $1 trillion industry, right? That's kind of been, just functionally the same. It's not just another blockchain either. It's a functional revenue generating network with a mission that is, pretty good. Provide connectivity where it's needed most. So it not only has a beautiful end goal, it is, kind of sticking it to the man, and that's kind of what crypto is all about, you know, and it's kind of doing that with the telecommunications industry. So that's pretty awesome in my books. But that's all I really have on this project. I'm interested to see what you guys think about it overall. Have you been following them for a while? Are you kind of just jumping on the bandwagon now? Is there anything else you think people should know in the comments below? I will also say, you know, always do your own research, do your own due diligence. Make sure you do thorough research before making any decisions about purchases or anything of that nature. But, you know, it seems pretty interesting, and it does seem like this could be an undervalued token that may take off at some point, especially compared to its closest competitor, which is almost 100 million above it. So I'm kind of excited to see if this one's going to take off. I'm going to be watching it closely. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Also, we will have links in the description so you can check some of this out for yourself. But that's all I got for this one. See you in the next one. Peace.